What is up guys, this is Shady Tech. Are you aware that Honor Magic Watch 2 can customize your own wallpaper on the face watch here? So the way to set it up is pretty simple and I'm gonna tell you about it right now. So the first thing you gotta do is go to the Huawei Health apps, and then it's pretty straightforward. After that you just go to the Honor Magic Watch 2 interface and then you scroll down to watch face and press watch face. So the gallery watch face is already pre-installed, so you just go to mine and then you will see the gallery on top here. The active wallpaper that I have here now is myself, you can see here. But of course you got other options too, like style. You can choose different colors and different kind of font. So I'll just go with this one for now. And then you just press save. And then you can also change the layout of it, whether you want the time to appear on bottom or on the top. So for now I'm just gonna put it on the bottom here. Okay, so you can add more of the wallpaper here. You just go to plus and then go to the gallery on your photos. Right, so for example, if I want to change it, if you press click on yes, and then you can drag it around. The inner circle here is where you show the wallpaper on the face on the Magic Watch 2 itself. So I'll just click on here, press save, and then you will see it's loading, and voila, you got a pretty nice sunset watch over here. You got a really nice sunset watch color over here. So there you have it. That's how you customize your own wallpaper on the Magic Watch 2. It's a pretty handy and yet very simple step to do so, and so try to customize your own wallpaper today on your Honor Magic Watch 2. And this is Shady Tech signing out.